Test for review. Green leafy vegetables and orange juice are rich sources of folate. B vitamins function as parts of coenzymes. Vitamin A is necessary for the function of rods and cones in the retina. Vitamin D is a vitamin that can be made by the human body. In the body, vitamin A helps maintain epithelial cells. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of vitamin K. In the human body, vitamin K can be synthesized by intestinal bacteria. In the United States, newborns receive an injection of vitamin K to prevent bleeding. Skin can form pre-vitamin D after being exposed to sunlight. Fatty fish and fish oils are a natural source of vitamin D. Alcohol is a carcinogen. Vitamins are organic micronutrients. Fresh broccoli is a rich source of vitamin C. Eggs are a good source of vitamin B12. Vitamin B6 is necessary for amino acid metabolism. The classic signs and symptoms of pellagra include diarrhea. Pregnant women who have a history of inadequate folate intakes are at risk of having babies with neural tube defects. Calcium is necessary for proper muscle contraction. Copper is a trace mineral in your body. Iron, copper, and zinc are trace minerals. Performing weight-bearing exercises can strengthen bones. Loss of bone mass is a symptom of osteoporosis. The human body can absorb some biotin that is synthesized by intestinal bacteria. Fat-soluble vitamins are more likely to cause toxicity than taking excess amounts of water-soluble vitamins because excesses of fat-soluble vitamins cannot be excreted as easily as water-soluble vitamins. Fat-free yogurt is a good source of calcium. Enriched bread is a good source of thiamine. Thiamine is one of the vitamins that's part of a coenzyme that participates in energy metabolism. You have an individual that is elderly with pernicious anemia. The doctor would probably recommend vitamin B12 injections. Hemolysis is a sign of vitamin E deficiency in humans. Safflower oil is a rich source of vitamin E. Fortified milk is a reliable dietary source of vitamin D. Vitamin D acts as a hormone in the human body. The small intestine is a primary site for vitamin absorption in the body. Niacin is added to refined grain products as part of the enrichment process. Vitamins K, E, and D are fat-soluble vitamins. Thiamine is added to refined grain products as part of the enrichment process. An antioxidant is a substance that protects vulnerable molecules from free radicals. You have an individual who has a baby that's 8 months old, loves to eat carrots, peaches, apricots, green beans. Recently, their skin turned yellow. Based on this information, this baby has developed carotenemia. Early symptoms of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. Dairy food group would be a good source of riboflavin. If you're throwing a birthday party and the food includes milk, the proper way to preserve milk is to keep the milk in the refrigerator until it's time to serve it. You have an individual that eats plenty of meats and dairy products, avoids eating fruits and vegetables. They bruise easily, takes a long time for their sores to heal. Gums bleed when they brush their teeth. Based on this information, they are most likely to be deficient for vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances absorption of iron. Phosphorus is classified as a major mineral. Potassium, sodium, and phosphorus are major minerals. Sodium helps with the body in maintaining normal fluid balance. Riboflavin is added to refined grain products as part of the enrichment process. Potassium helps maintain normal fluid balance. Niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine are examples of water-soluble vitamins. Vitamins K, D, and A are fat-soluble vitamins. These are your 50 questions.